Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. We are doing the chapter Linear Functions. This is our second video on the same chapter. For basics, I would request you to refer to part 1 of Linear Functions. Question 3. A photocopier manages to print on average 2.5 sheets of paper per second. If T is the time taken in seconds and N the number of sheets printed, write an equation linking N and T. So, when it comes to equation, how would we take this? In 1 minute, the photocopier, which is in 1 second, in 1 second, okay? If T is the time, if in 1 second, number of sheets 2.5 N are printed. So accordingly, we have to write an equation linking N and T. So the equation is as simple. We will have to multiply. So number of sheets printed has to be multiplied with the time. So we will get N number of sheets, okay, if I multiply 2.5 with the number of seconds. So 1 second I'll get 2.5. 2 seconds I will have to multiply 2.5, which is equal to 5 sheets. Similarly 3. So as the number of seconds increase, the number we get those many number of sheets from the photocopier. Alright, so that's the equation. Plot a graph of N against T for T ranging from 0 to 10. So first what we need to do out here is, on this page itself, I'll make a table with this formula. Okay, so ranging from 1 to 10 seconds. Okay, so N and T and N. T on top, N below. So 1 second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in 1 second, number of photocopier sheets is 2.5. It's going to be 5, 7 children. Difference is of 2.5, correct? So each time I will increase the number by 2.5. So it's going to be 12.5. You add 2.5. Then it's going to be 15, 17.5, 20, 22.5 and 25 sheets in 10 seconds. Wow. Alright, now this data has to be plotted on the chart, on the graph. So 1 and 2.5. So let this be T. Time normally has to be on the x-axis, and this instead of, so here it's going to be, my N is going to be plotted. So for 1 second, so this is my 1, so 1 second 2.5. So somewhere here is what I plot my first point. In 2 seconds it's going to be 5. In 3 seconds it's going to be 7.5. In 4 seconds it's going to be 10 sheets. in 5 seconds. This is my 5 seconds. 12.5. 6 seconds. 15. 7 seconds. 17.5. 8 seconds is going to be 17.5, 20. Children, the page is small and accordingly I do not have that space, but this is how adding 2.5 each time you could go ahead and draw the graph. So here I plot my So that's the way I plot my graph. But this is not the only thing. Here you will have to write the formula. And what's the formula? N is equal to 2.5. So here I write my formula as near the line actually. N is equal to 2.5t, and at each coordinate you have to mention the coordinate. So my first one is here, so I'm going to write x-axis first, 1.1 and 2.5. The second one is at 2, I have 5, so 2 and 5. The third one is here. This is the point. Should I do it with another color? So this is my first point. This is my second one. This is my third one. Fourth. Fifth, sixth, seventh. Correct? So here I have for 3 I have 7.5, for 4 I have 10, for 5 I have 12.5, for 6 I have 15, for 7 I have 17.5. Easy? And now that's your graph which is completed. You have to mention your coordinates at each point. My next question says, copy and complete the coordinate table below for the two equations y is equal to x plus 4 and y is equal to 3 upon 2x. 3 upon 2x, plotting on the graph, you will have to take this as half of 3, which is 1.5x. Alright, so let me do the calculation. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 4. So when x is 0, 0 plus 4, y will be 4. Alright, y is equal to x plus, so here's my first coordinate, x plus 4. So when x is going to be 2, y is going to be 6. Y is equal to x plus 4. So when y is equal to be, when x is going to be 4, y is going to be 8. Y is equal to x plus 4. When x is going to be 6, y is going to be 10. When y is equal to x plus 4, when x is going to be 8, y is going to be 12. And y is equal to x plus 4, when x is going to be 10, y is going to be 14. Alright, let's do it for the next one. y is equal to 1.5x. So 1.5 into x is y is going to be 0. Y is equal to 1.5x. That means 1.5 into 2. Here 2. So y is going to be 3. Y is equal to 1.5x, where 1.5 and I have to take x as 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, so it's going to be 6. Y is going to be 6. Y is 1.5x. 1.5 into 6. 15 into 6 is 80. So its y is going to be 8. Is it? Let me check. 6 5s are 30, 6 1s 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Sorry children, it's 90. Y is equal to 1.5x. 1.5 is equal to 1.5 is equal to, into 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's going to be 120. And y, so this is y is equal to 120. Y is equal to 1.5x. 1.5 into 10 makes it, it's not 120, it's 12. It's going to be 15. Yeah. So our coordinate table has been completed. That's 4a for you. Now, on the same axis, plot the graph. Alright. So 0 and 4 is what I need to plot first. I'll take the first equation. So we have 0 on the x-axis and we have 4 on the... So plotting, I think I'll do with red. Okay, then comes 2 and 6. So 2 and 6. Here we go. We have 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 6. 6 and 10. 6. Yeah. 6 and 10. Where's 10? There's 6 here. 6 and 10. Then we have 8 and 12. Yeah. And we have 10 and 14. Something looks wrong. So that's 10 and 14. 8. We have 6. We should have 6 over here. 6 and 10. Yes, I was wrong. Plot Thing got wrong. Children, be very careful with this. So now let me draw the just highlight the points again. So here and that's how the line will extend. What's my formula for this line, children? Y is equal to x plus 4. So on top I shall write y is equal to x plus 4. So this line is for y is equal to x plus 4. Let me write the coordinates: 0 and 4, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 6 and 10, 8 and 12, and 10 and 14. Alright, what's the next one? 0 and 0, 2, 3. 0 and 0, it starts from here. 0 and 0, 2 and 3 here. Alright, then we have 3, 2 and 3, 4 and 6. We have 4 and we have 6 right here. Then we have 6 and 9. Where's 6? And we have 9 out here. Okay, and then 6 and 9, 8 and 12. 8 and 12. It's right here. So common point. And 10 and 15. So where's 10? And here we have 15 right here. Let me join these points as well. Yes, visible. Let me write the equation of this line, which is y is equal to 3 upon 2x. Y is equal to, it's wrong. Y is equal to 3 upon 2x. Yeah, so does that on the same axis plot the graphs. So children, here as well we've missed out on. So here it's going to be 0 and 0. This is going to be 2 and 3. Here we have 4 and 6. Here we have 6 and 9. 6 and we have, what is this? 4 and 6. Yes, we have 6 and 9. Then we have 8 and 12, common point. Then we have 10 and here then we have 10 and 15. I missed out on one. After 8 I had 10, so 10 has to be, yeah, so this is 10 and 15. Yeah, no, I've not missed out on anything. All right, yeah, so this is how we have plotted the both the gradients with different coordinates on the same graph. One point belongs to both the graphs. Explain how you can tell from the coordinate table what the coordinates of that point are. So from this table we've realized that this point 8 and 12 is common. So how do we write this now? The coordinates, the coordinates 8 and 12 appear or are common in both tables. Yes, children? So we've solved one more tricky basics of linear functions. That's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.